In this video, I will show you how to add Zendrop products to Shopify. To do this, first make sure you have both a Zendrop and Shopify account, and I'll leave links to both of them down in the description. With Shopify, you will get a 3-month trial, and you will also get 3 days free with no credit card required. And then the 3 months are for €1, dollar, or pound per month. So after having both your Shopify and Zendrop account open, just go to Zendrop and click Add New Store, and then click Connect a store I already have. Personally, I wouldn't use the AI built store, I would just connect your store and then click Continue. Then from there, scroll to the bottom and click Authorize, and then here click Install, and then confirm by clicking on Install again. So now from here, you can then approve the subscription. So you will just need to enter a payment method. And then from there, click on approve. And now it will then redirect you back to Zendrop and you will have connected to your Shopify store. Now just go to whatever product you want to import onto your Shopify store. For example, if I want to import this, then I can just go and click on it. And then from there, click on add to my products. And now here you have the product. Now you can add product tags, product type, you can change the name as well as the language and description, etc. So just edit it and then click publish to my store and then click got it. Please don't display this message again if you want to do that, and then click confirm. And now you can see it will be added onto my Shopify store. So now it's first going to show up in my products, but for now I'll just go to Shopify and also go to products right here. And you can now see I have the product that has been imported onto my Shopify store. So that's how to add Zendrop products to your Shopify store. Now again, if you want to get started with Zendrop and Shopify for free, and also get the 3-month trial for Shopify, you can claim that through the links down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.